AlphaRex specializes in designing and producing superior and uniquely stylish aftermarket automotive performance lighting with unrivaled innovative technology. Watch this video as we take you through the installation of your new AlphaRex headlights in your 2018-2019 Ford F150 step by step. Prepare these tools for your installation. Whenever working on your vehicle, always start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Start by removing all the clips holding the top plastic radiator shroud and remove the shroud and set it aside to be reinstalled later. Remove the two 7mm bolts from inside each wheel well. Carefully pull the bumper trim piece from the truck and set it aside for later installation. Remove the two plastic clips and the four 10mm bolts from the top of the grille. Remove the 8mm bolt from below each headlight. Remove the plastic clip securing the light wiring and unplug the two connections for the active grille at the top of the radiator area. Remove the grille assembly and set it aside to be reinstalled later. Now, remove the bolts attaching the headlight to the truck. Each headlight has 6 10mm bolts, one 8mm bolt, and one push clip on top. One 10mm bolt is located behind the fender flare. Carefully remove the headlight by sliding it forward. Unplug the wiring connection from the back of the headlight housing and set it aside. Route the daytime running lights harness to the two headlights. Start at the passenger side, which is closest to the truck's battery. Crimp the gray wire from the daytime running lights harness to the fuse tab. Go to the fuse box and tap into fuse number 36 or fuse number 10. Connect the red wire to the battery positive terminal and the black wire to the battery negative terminal. Zip tie and secure the yellow connection to the daytime running lights harness. Connect the stock headlight connectors and the daytime running lights connector to the AlphaRex headlight and install the headlight onto the truck. Repeat the previous steps from the opposite side headlight for removal and installation. Test the functions of your AlphaRex headlights to ensure everything works properly. Once everything has been tested, aim your AlphaRex headlights by parking 25 feet from a wall and level the headlights evenly. Turn clockwise to lower the light, counterclockwise to raise the light. Now you are ready to use and enjoy your AlphaRex headlights and enjoy the new look and improved night driving of your 2018-2019 Ford F150. Visit AlphaRexUSA.com to see all of our performance lighting products for your vehicle.